Welcome back. Bharne Fashion and Lifestyle is now in Mapsa. The showroom dedicated to fashion and lifestyle was inaugurated on Saturday at Mapsa.
We opened it in the hands of my grandmother, Mrs. Smitabai Bharne. Overall, there were good walk-ins in the morning, and the response has been good. Everybody has appreciated the overall look of the store, the interiors and the garments in it, the merchandising overall. So all in all, I'm a happy person today because the hard work has paid off of the last 45 to 60 days or so.
We don't want marinas in our village. This is a unanimous voice of Sakwarkars. The Sakware Panchayat has strongly objected the proposed marina project. The Kothari BJP block committee has backed the Panchayat. Members of the committee claim that Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar will never allow marina.
Environment Ministry हांगसर local आमगे constituency आसतना जर ते permission तांकां जर मेळटा हितून आमी शॉकात कित्याक जर तांकां जर Environment Ministry clearance दिता जाल्यार हांगसर कितें तरी काळें बरें आहा अशें म्हाका दिसता. हांगसर ही जे तिसऱ्यो कालवां मेनी कुल्ल्यो हे जे फिश तयार जाता हें फाल्यां सकाळीं नश्ट जातलें आनी हेजे पयलीं लोकांनी बोवाळ स्टार्ट केल्लो आसा की हांगसर तो मारीन प्रोजेक्ट येवचो न्हू म्हूण. सपोज लोकांना ऑब्जेक्शन जाल्यार जरूर आमी पंचायत लोकां बरोबर रावतली आनी जशें पळोवंक गेल्यार नेचर जे ब्युटी जी आसा सांकवाळेची आयज मँग्रोव्स आहा हे कोकोनट ट्रीज हे सगळे काबार जातले.
गरीब लोक आसा तो सगळो पड पडटा सगळो गरिबांक काय तो सर्वीस दिवपाक शकना. बायलो दादले सुद्दां येतात हांगा सगळ्यो तिसऱ्यो कालवां सगळे काडटान पड भरतात ते विकून ते काय तांकां सगळ्यांक दिवपाक शकचे ना ती सारके गरीबात गरीब लोक
हजारांनी लोक हिंगा येतात तिसरी काडून पोट भरताय तिसऱ्यो नुस्तें दवरताय.
सो तुज्या वाटेन कितें लोकल स्थानीक पंच आसा तूं
आमी तांकां दिवपा न्हय.
आनी सीएम म्हाका इतलो तेजेर खात्री आसा आमच्या ऑनरेबल सीएमाचेर ताणें आमकां बिफोर असेंब्ली इलेक्शन सांगलेलें की आपूण हांगा येवपाक दिवची ना. सो तो प्रोजेक्ट हांगा येवपाचो कसलोच शक्यता आमकां फूल गव्हर्मेंटाचेर फेथ आसा.
This is on the backdrop of Environment Impact Assessment report favoring the proposed marina. The report has given a clean sheet stating that the marina is favorable in the state as there will be no major impact of the environment and biodiversity of the area. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
The culture and tradition continues in the state amidst emerging modernization. The traditional music hails high with Bollywood and Western music gaining popularity. Late Rayu Hegde Memorial All Goa Bhavgeet Bhakti Sangeet singing competition kept the audience enthralled at Kala Academy in Panji. with this, we conclude this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.